Welcome back to the channel, Trader Jan speaking. This is the market analysis and preparation for the trading day of the 16th of April 2026. We have at 7:17 in the morning, that's Chicago time, and as usual, you see the market is running already. Asia session is over, and we are right in the European session. Market is ranging at the moment a little bit. And we're going to go to the events. And here we are currently today. Oh, in 12 minutes we have the initial jobless claims. So better keep the fingers out of the keyboard. And that's good. I'm doing that video right now. So that's other than that, not a lot of continuing jobless claims in 12 minutes as well. Okay, so the major happenings are before the opening of the market. Now, going back to the chart and especially going back to our 15 minutes chart where we define the locations. Let's go here. We are in an interesting area here because this one here, that was our last marker from yesterday, which was the all-time high so far. So we are having green field above us. And what we're gonna do here, best we're gonna do is removing those markers before from the day of yesterday. And I remove those colors here as well, make the chart a little bit more clean. And then we're gonna see what's gonna happen. So today we find us here. That is a no-brainer. Oops. That is for sure an area where the market gonna react again very soon. In no, daily high and low. Safe. Okay. So this one here is not a daily high and low. So let's see. I'm gonna mark them yesterday's daily high and low. Still in the same color. Just to make sure we know that what that was, why the market today bounced off here. So the market is in new areas here, a new field, and we keep that one over there. So in the middle here, that's a nice area here. I always like to use those areas which used to be a rejection and then a support, or vice versa. That is a support and resistance. And often it happens that these areas are low volume areas. It's interesting to see sometimes. Here, that's a low volume area. Not that doesn't mean I mark every low volume area, but the ones where the market reacted heavily. So here, once the market is in this range here, I guess it's gonna do what it's gonna do. So I rather mark the area which is underneath it. So within this range, maybe I should mark it in a separate color so that I can see this one is meant to be in a rangey kind of market, and this one is more like a walk-through market or area. So this is all, once the market is up here, for sure, all long. Once the market is underneath this one here, then all short. Not underneath the yesterday's high. There's a high volume area here. And let's shortly check if we should change that one. I would change this one here. Still the high of yesterday, but the volume stopping here, and I like to see volume being involved. I know it's not a science. Here in this short area, that's just not enough. I'm okay with that one here. Not so much okay with that one. I rather mark this area here close where the volume starts, and this area here close to where the volume actually is. That one is fine. And then I have another one here. Oops. Okie dokie. That's about the market which we're gonna trade today. And as mentioned, if the market hits this one, this is a real need. 2 hours holding the high here. If that one breaks, all hell is loose and goes up there. If it goes below yesterday high, gonna be collecting a little bit, but then underneath this one, that's gonna be more shorty. Let me mark them as well in our chart here. That's marked already. So above this one, I can't say anything. It's just need to play price. I need to trade the price action if it's when it's above that one. Other than not much we can do. We know the locations below the current price, and that's what we need to work with. Okay, those are the locations for the day, for the 16th of April. Happy trading day. See you down at the trading floor.